what are the most significant opportunities that you all see right now in collecting and modeling high quality multi-omic data from genetics to genomics to really drive precision medicine forward?
Not only is it extremely exciting, there are so many untapped possibilities and questions. So I spent my entire career in drug development tools and platforms. When I was wearing and building the founder hat, building these types of companies, and then transitioning as an investor, I've backed around 100 different companies as an investor, all in this space. And there's never been a moment like we have today where you see all sorts of collaboration, new types of models, almost on a daily basis. The advances we're having on a weekly or monthly basis, that's akin to what was taking years and years of development. And so it's super exciting. It's definitely a time where everybody in this room is excited about, but the realities are also, biology is really, really hard. It's really complex. And I remember my very first lecture from a professor years and years ago, the conversation I had with him, and then I saw him again. The same lesson that he gave me then is that, look, 90% failure rates, drugs take way too long, and they cost way too much. And I was looking at this just to put into context. It's honestly cheaper or equivalent to build another Burj Khalifa than it is to take another drug to market. And so just to put that in perspective, there's new diseases every year that need treatment. And so for us to really think about this, we need to go beyond just single omics or single part of the chapter. To write the whole book, we've had chapters missing, and now we're finally in an era where, as Janet and Alicia both alluded to, we're finally seeing tools and technologies, but as opposed to seeing them as disparate entities, there's utility in all of these. There's utility in all these models. Everybody has their own model. I get pitched models every other day in terms of what they're building and their own data sets, but we're finally, as an industry, needing to centralize and standardize. And we at Revalia get really excited because our human data tech stack isn't just our core technology, but we try to encompass and bring in others. And the whole point is to unlock the utility across the industry, because that's how we win. We grow the pie for everybody, and there's utility for all these types of use cases as we get into working with different types of groups. And so it's a super exciting time, but we got to approach it in a way that's also calculated and meaningful and thoughtful.